I take you here from the post office. Another tour of the hotels here in Medjugorje. Come with me. Hello. We go this way here. It's direction Apparition Hill. Let's go together, and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the videos and give likes that the videos go up and other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. Let's go together. See here, this is the former Medjugorje. You have still the vine. Before they had like cultivation of wine and tobacco, and then the apparition came and the fields left and the hotels came. Because this is such a powerful place, you will see it yourself when you come here. You can really experience the presence of Our Lady here, and it changed my life. But you have to experience it for yourself. I can say if I would have known that this place exists, I would have come much earlier here to Medjugorje. You can receive healing, you get answers to your questions, you have your burning questions on your heart. And I only can strongly recommend, come to Medjugorje and experience it yourself. Experience Our Lady, the beauty of our Catholic faith. And you will see it's just really in a way breathtaking for me, and just so beautiful, this place. And you have a lot of hotels where you can choose from, and for every budget there are hotels here, nothing to worry about. Our Lady also takes care of you here. I can tell you that out of own experience. And let's go down this way. You really can see all the places here in Medjugorje. This is the Irish House, Apart Hotel. And here we are back at Hotel Luna. On the left we can go to Apparition Hill and Mother Village. I did a video about that, about a video about Apparition Hill as well, taking the bike there. And here, this is the main road going back to Medjugorje. I leave you with this beautiful view, and I wish you had a good time coming with me. Subscribe to the channel, share the videos and give a like, and God bless you all, and be part of the ministry of showing the beauty of Medjugorje to the whole world. God bless you all. Bye for now. I pray for you, and please pray for me as well. And remember, we are the Hallelujah people. We spread joy. We are Christians. We are Catholics. And we have the good news where you truly can find peace, joy and happiness. Spread that. The world needs it. Remember, the world is in confusion and needs light, love and soul. Bye bye.